Thank you.
This is our office.
Okay.
WO support the poorest families by cash for the 36 members. WO has taken up tree plantation during the World Environment Day. WO has taken up the cleaning drive in our village. The WO has given loan to the 16 SSG. 5 SSG has taken interest-free loan through this VRF.
Hakabasdang kalungying chunga. Sya kalungying hakabakut mentang ngalapoy hakani kalungying kalapau bangala kam bet kambiang nang ta karam kebangan dang haban siu menta kadang sa sau pusan hajar reda ke jing kerku blai lengba kini PNRL RLM lembaga government kabasna yakini kiskim repair kumi kala long kawai kalat ba nakabenta yanga kabriu kabakudlan ti kumban thaidin kalong yeng kabalanot bat kabasem jan sejar dasar ide kini ti ngadon tang kini langut kikun hadu bangan la ban kersyam school.
So as long as the leaders can motivate and the members are also serious, then only things will happen. Government can only give you the money and funds, and banks can give you funds. But if the members are not serious, if you don't committedly and sincerely do the work, it will not work. So this whole success is because of your hard work, because of the hard work of the members that are there. So we congratulate all of you for all the wonderful work that you're doing. Yeah. And I would also like to add that your self-help group is and the VO is a great example for the rest of the other groups in the rest of the state. They should learn from the way you have worked and the commitment and sincerity you have shown, and a success story for everybody to be proud of and everybody to follow. So I really congratulate all of you for the great work that you're doing to improve the lives of all your members, and whatever support you require in the future, we are happy to support from our side in every possible way. Okay.